Cash offer, investor, LTD, PG. Let's freaking go. Dude, we got LTD, PG too. Get the truck too. Then we got the truck vanity. Bro, we got so many vehicles here now. I got we got the Camry, gets freaking 40 miles per gallon. Got this thing that's just like, this is if you want, you know, that riding in luxury. What the heck is that? That's a Nick, bro. Oh, shoot.
This is gonna be the Ruth Chris mobile tonight?
Yes, sir, buddy. And then we got freaking good old faithful. Dude, I love this truck too. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to see the vanity plate. LTD PG management, baby.
We need a bed liner in this bad boy.
Yeah, I know. I thought about blacking out the rims, doing a bed liner and stuff, and then I'm like, nah.
Yeah.
I'm like, we already spent a lot on this truck. We mostly got that truck, honestly, for Ryan, obviously.
Yeah.
And then now, insurance, dude. Insurance jumped. Actually, this would be good for freaking content. The insurance jumped on the truck from freaking, it was like $290, $300 or something a month, and then it went to $800. And so I saw a bill come out. I was like, $800 from Progressive? What the frick? I called them. I'm like, dude, they had to have made a mistake. Nope, wasn't a mistake. And they were not lowering it either. So we called. We got Mr. Spencer DeSharm. Appreciate you. Shout out to Spencer. He got us hooked up, bro. We got us, I believe it was with Erie Insurance. I think it was like $150 a month or something like that. Yeah, so even cheaper than we were at before. So yeah, you hooked us up. So now we get to keep the truck. Because honestly, I was like, dude, we're going to get rid of the truck. We're not going to spend freaking $800 a month on insurance for that thing. I'm like, screw that. Yeah. We drive it like once a month now. So anyway.
Hey, $150, that's not bad at all for
a
truck.
No, and then our payment's $700, or it's either $700 or $800, I can't remember, for the truck. So now it's like, now it's worth it. You know, $1,000 a month for a truck, like the one time we use it is gonna be worth it. We use it once a month, it's worth it. And then honestly, I like to use it whenever I'm going to ride bikes.
Oh yeah, dude, heck yeah. It's so much easier to throw the bikes in there.
Yeah, dude, I like that truck too. That is a nice truck. I'm like, dude, when I'm driving, I'm like, this just feels like me, you know? Like, I don't know what it is about gray vehicles, but gray vehicles are just like my kind of vehicles.
I love trucks too. Just sitting up higher. Like,
yeah.
You feel more protected and stuff too.
Yep.
I do.
Yes, sir. Dude, I'm excited too, like just to have a company vehicle. That way, if anybody's vehicle does go down, now we have something to help them out at least.
Yeah.
Because it does kind of suck. So.
Yeah, like my truck was out for like 6 months.
Yep. That was crazy, dude.
Sucked.
That was crazy. Yeah. Yes, sir.
I believe it's day 18.
Day 18, walks with Cody into Cody. You know, do you know my nickname?
Which one?
There's several?
I think so.
What's the nicknames, buddy?
I know the Cody. I don't know. I can't think of any other ones.
Really?
Yeah.
It's what my mom and my sisters call me. You don't know it?
Bub?
Nope. Can you guys guess it? What do you think my nickname is? Comment below if you think you know what my nickname is. And also, if you're my family, then you're not allowed to guess. Comment below, let me know. So my mom and my sisters and stuff call me.
I should have known that.
Yeah.
What the heck?
But yeah, that's my nickname. Like, so if you guess that, then you got it right.
Coda, Dr. Coda.
Yep, Dr. Coda. Who used to say that?
I feel like it was me.
Oh, really?
Maybe somebody else, but
somebody used to call me Dr. Coda.
Yeah.
Doctor. I remember Ryan used to do that too. Doctor. He'd always just say doctor. I forgot about that.
Doctor.
But yeah, dude. So there's a girl actually that I was talking to. It's so funny. She's like, I don't mind if people call me Coda. I don't like Cody. I actually don't like when people call me Cody. When people are like, hey, Cody, I'm like, nah, not a Cody.
You're like, I know some Codys.
Yeah, but Coda feels okay. So people can call me Coda. If you want to call me Coda, that's fine. Usually it's like for relationships, interpersonal relationships, and like my really close friends and stuff. But anyway, I was talking to this girl and she's like, oh, you gonna let me call you Coda? I was like, sure. And then now she feels really excited about that, so it's kind of funny.
That's awesome.
All right, guys, I'm off of social media. It's been 1 hour, maybe not even that. Feel good. I don't even have my phone on me right now, bro.
How's that feel?
Really good, actually. It's charging. And like it's like the first time I've been away from my phone in a long time. You know what I realized, dude, when I was just at the airport, just from the time that my phone is in that stupid little thing, I'm like, oh gosh, where's my phone? It's been 10 minutes and I'm just like freaking out because I don't have my phone just because I'm like going through TSA. I'm like, dude, this is not good. This is not good.
Yeah.
I do not like that. I do not like that, Sam. I do not like that where I am.
Dude, we used to like skate and stuff like no phones for all day.
Yeah, literally all day. And then I remember too, whenever we first got phones, it wasn't a smartphone, so you didn't check crap. You had to go on the browser and you're like, oh, let me look up my Facebook, and it sucked so bad. Yeah, it was so slow and it sucked, and so it's like, you didn't do it anyway. So crazy, dude. Now I just see myself. Every time I like go to use the restroom, whoop, every time I stop at a stoplight, every time I'm on the phone even, I'll be on the phone with somebody, oh, I got extra time, let me just do 2 things at once.
Yeah.
It's like, what the frick am I doing? And so I don't like it when anything has control of my life, honestly. Like, I mean, the only person that has control of my life is gonna be God. That is it. God can control my life. I trust God to control my life. Not my phone, not caffeine, not women. There's nothing else I trust to control my life. I don't even trust me to control my life all the way, honestly. I gotta trust God to like, okay, lead me the right way, because sometimes I'll even do things that I'm like, what the frick am I doing? But anyway, I do trust myself in a lot of aspects, so I'll be clear on that. But I just mean like sometimes I need some clarity, direction, and like really remember why I'm doing something. So, yep, getting rid of the old phony. I'm just gonna turn it off. Dude, that'd be so nice to actually get rid of it for like a week or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. That'd be so nuts. Like you wouldn't even know if there's issues going on. You could just like live life and be like, life's good, dude.
Yeah.
The phone is really, now that I think about it, the phone is what brings us the funny is I want to say perceived problems, but they're not perceived. I mean, they are problems.
Right, but like if you were somewhere else and you didn't have a phone, there would be no problems in your physical life.
Yeah.
But there is problems, but you're not
aware. Yeah, you're not aware of the problem. That's such an interesting thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, maybe I should do that. I'm thinking about doing that too. I've been thinking about like going and just one weekend, just like camping out. Maybe I should do that this weekend. Depends on what's her name says.
Camping this weekend.
You are? Where are you going?
In Columbus for the Tough Mudder.
Oh, nice, buddy.
So.
Thanks for the invite.
You can camp there.
All right, thanks, buddy.
Saraland.
I don't know if I want to drive that far.
It's like 3 hours.
Yeah, a little ways.
Yeah.
I'll drive to Cincy, but.
Yeah, it's worth it.
Yep. I am driving to Valparaiso on
Weekend?
Saturday, yeah. Should be.
What's there?
Meeting somebody there, going on a date.
Nice.
Yep.
Little datey.
Going on a date, quote unquote.
Always looking for love.
Looking for love.
In all the right places? Hopefully.
That's a good question. I think so. I mean, where else can you find it?
I don't know. It's kind of like a song, you know?
Looking for love, and I don't even know that song.
I just know that part.
Dude, I was just showing Ruby and Jordan. That was so funny that you posted the one of me singing. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
I had to.
That was so funny. But I don't think that anybody even watched that till the end. Like, people probably don't even know how crazy I am.
Yeah.
Did I tell you?
I gotta clip it up.
Yeah, did I tell you that they told me that I remind them of the Johnny Depp, Willy Wonka?
Who?
Jordan and Ruby.
No.
They said that I remind them of Willy Wonka. And then, like, whenever I see that kind of stuff, I'm like, yeah, I kind of am like Willy Wonka. He does some crazy stuff. He's like,
Yeah.
and like,
Just the funny hype stuff.
yeah, he just like does the craziest stuff, and he says some crazy things sometimes. And he had a traumatic childhood, and then he ended up, I think so. Then he ended up like being really owning a whole factory.
Is that the original one or like the second one?
I don't know. Second one, I think. The one with Johnny Depp, buddy.
I've never seen that one.
No. Oh, you have to watch some clips. Watch some highlights, and you'll see. Because at first I was like, I don't know about that. Then I watched him. I was like, oh.
You're talking about like him as a person, not just in the movie?
No, just in the movie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just the way he was in the movie.
Oh, okay.
Dang, buddy, we got some vanity plates. I like it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Love you. See you on social media in 2 weeks.